Hey, what's up guys, Fahazman here. In the previous video of ACY Securities, we have discussed how you can open the live account and demo account on ACY Securities. In this video, we are going to talk about education resources at ACY Securities to trade effectively. ACY Securities is a multi-asset platform. Assets available on ACY Securities include forex trading, CFD trading, stock and indices trading, cryptocurrency trading, commodities trading. With ACY Securities, you will need a minimum deposit of $50. You can sign up for a demo account to acquaint yourself with ACY Securities platform. And you can also trade on the globally recognized MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platform for desktop, web and mobile. Trading platform is a tool where you can buy or trade an instrument with only some clicks on your device anytime and anywhere you want. To trade effectively with ACY Securities, it's important to have a good understanding of the ACY Securities trading tools and the markets. Make sure you make full use of all educational tools. ACY Securities offers a good selection of educational resources. They have free trading ebook. You can read through a series of training articles to gain knowledge on how to trade successfully. Take your time, learn how the financial markets move and how your training platform works. You can access to a wide selection of training and educational tools to understand forex trading, and the company is committed to providing solid trading education. Online trading courses are offered to suit the needs of traders with different experience levels. ACY Securities run free trading webinars by their market analysts twice a week, covering technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and live charting reviews. Each webinar runs for 45 minutes and they welcome traders of all experience levels. They also have different courses on their website. This course is divided into beginners and advanced courses. It is available at no cost to registered clients. The beginner course gives an introduction to forex trading, basics, advantages, terms, types of orders, and other trading tips. The advanced course teaches technical analysis, strategies, risk management, trading plan development, and trading psychology. And ACY Securities offers customer support 24 hours a day from Mondays to Friday. The team can be reached on live chat, telephone lines, emails, and on online contact form. So the link of this website is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.